Alright. Don't squeeze that too hard, it'll break. Okay, open the top up and let's see.
There it is. A big old mound of nest cells.
Yeah, and he compacted it a little bit, but it's terrible.
And one more thing. Some people messaged us lately and asked us what we think about getting a Kirby vacuum. We're going to tell you guys the truth. Before we started making YouTube videos, we've had 2 Kirbys, and the truth is, we weren't impressed with them. That's why we don't own one. We've had 2 of them in the past, and they're not our thing. So that'll solve anyone's wondering why we don't own Kirbys. We have had a couple of them.
Alright. The filter. Of course, our filter's always been a little bit dark anyway, but it's probably pretty clogged up. What you want to look for if you do have a Dyson and you wonder if your filters are working good, the top of the machine in here is a little bit dusty, but the top up there, the black part, that's all still clean. So that means the filter trapped everything, even though it got past the cyclones more than it should, ideally. And the other part to keep an eye on, let's see here. Yeah, keep an eye on this gasket up here at the top. If it starts getting, it gets a little dust past it once in a while, but if it starts getting really dirty, then that means your filter's letting a lot of stuff by. When that filter gets clogged, it can bypass the filter on the edges and stuff. So, and I'm not going to show you the brush roll because it's a disaster.
It's dirty.
It needs to be clean, but
we'll be back
if you keep your brush roll cleaned out, and you keep your filter system clean, and you empty your bin before it gets too full, Dysons are great machines. But if you don't do those things, you're going to have problems with them. Well, that's it for the pre-vac video. There may be a post-vac video coming up as a separate video. If you want to see something like that, just stay tuned. And we're going to do a bonnet cleaning in here to try to fix these carpets. That's going to be a separate video, but we hope you enjoyed watching the pre-vac. Till next time, thanks for watching.